Class 10 Mathematics, Chapter 13, Geometrical Constructions. Exercise 1. I am R.S. Prasad. So today I will start your construction, and that the first exercise. Let us see what happened in this your exercise. The first example is given here. Construct a line segment which is equal to given line segment. So how can construct? I will show you how can construct. First you make with me. Yes, let us start how can do this. So first of all you can make this one your line, and that line segment is AB, looking like AB. You can write here A and B. We don't know the length of this AB. So first of all, but we want to construct a line equal to the line AB. So first you draw a line segment which is long line, and that is the xy. So you can write here x and y. It is your x and it is your y. So what will be happen in your this? Now take a point P on this line. It is the point P, and now take a roundel and keep here at point A. So what will be happen? And now you put this one and take a distance AB like this. It is a complete AB distance. Now the roundel is put at point P and make an arc like this. You can make this arc and then remove the roundel. So your this point is Q. So as you know, PQ is, always remember, it is equal to AB. So how can say it is equal to? Let us see the length of AB and PQ. So you have this scale. Now take a distance. It is the 5.3. You can see here it is 5.3. So you can write here 5.3. It is the 5.3. Now what will be happen in this? So you can see here it is also 5.3. You have to see here it is also 5.3. So remove the scale and write here it is also 5.3 centimeter. So both are equal 5.3 centimeter. As you have seen, this is the PQ is the line segment equal to the AB. Yes, it is your example 2. So in this example, two angles are given. As you have to know, two angles are given. Construct an angle. एक angle form करना है which is equal to the sum of these two angles. इन दोनों angles के sum के equal हो. So how can construct this one? So let us see. So first of all, make two angles which is, we don't know the length. So it's your first length. First you draw a line this one and make an angle. It is, we don't know the measurement of this line, this angle, and you can make further second angle. It is here, and now this angle is near about this one. We don't know the angle between them. And now how can construct this one? So first of all, name this one. It is A, B, C, and this angle is X, and here is P, Q, R. We don't know the measurement. Suppose this is your Y. So how can construct a angle which is the sum of this angle x plus y के angle के equal हमें angle form करना है. So how can form this type of angle? So first of all you can take a scale and draw a line segment. So first of all you can draw, the length is near about 6 centimeters. You can take this one 6 centimeter. Now remove the scale and take roundel and keep here this point. Suppose this point is L. You can write this point is L. You can write here L and it is your M. Now roundel is here and do the distance like this and make an arc like this. It's a very simple to make this arc. It has been seen in your screen. Now come to the second one is first is here. Now you can take roundel like this at B. That point is B and the pencil put here and make an arc like this. Yes. And also from here at Q make an arc. You can put here and make an arc with the same distance. Okay. So again you can put the protector or roundel at this point and now you measure the angle. This one angle is this angle. So make an arc like this and now take this roundel at this point and make an arc also. It is your second arc. And now what will be happen? Now roundel take at this point and increase the distance of roundel. Now make an arc also and this arc is made by this point. Yes, this point. So you can make an arc, second arc like this. This is your second arc. Yes, now remove the roundel and take scale. And now how can draw this line? You can do like this. Yes. Like this and draw the line and which is very clear to this one and remove the scale and that is the measurement of these angles x plus y. This one is x plus y. So you have to write here this angle is this is the angle x and it is your angle y. So that the whole angle is x plus y. So it is clear. So your measurement is, so you can write here the point is N. As you know, angle of N L M is equal to angle of A B C plus angle of P Q and R. And now write the steps of construction in your own words. It's a very simple. Now construct the parallel lines. How can construct the parallel line? I will show you. First of all, how can construct the parallel line? Let us see how can construct parallel lines. Suppose you have a line, this one, that is the line of xy. So you can write here xy. It is your line xy or AB. You can say, you can give the name any AB, and it is your point P. Now how can construct a parallel line which is parallel to AB? So first of all, draw a transversal line. It is the transversal line like this. You can draw a transversal line like this. Yes, suppose that point is Q. Suppose that point is Q. Now take a roundel it is your roundel, and put at the point Q, and make an arc like this. Yes, now make an arc like this. It is very simple, this one. And also from P, you can make here at point P. You can make an arc like this. Yes, both are very easy. Now come to the point this one and take a distance like this. This distance, you have to take this distance and make an arc like this. And also the protector is putting here this point and make an arc like this. Now remove the roundel and take scale, and that scale is keep here at point P and draw a line like this. Yes, you can draw a line like this. And remove the scale. So it is looking like that is line is XY. You can write here XY. As you know, XY is a parallel to AB. How can so? You can see this one. How can this one? Let us see how can see this one with the help of this. Yes, you can see here there is distance between the two lines, that is the 4 centimeter, and it will be not change. You can remove here anywhere. The distance is looking 1.4 centimeter. It is 4 centimeter. So distance is not change between the parallel lines. So it is very easy to draw the parallel line. Exercise 1. Draw two line segment A and B in your notebook and construct line segment according to the given information. So information is given as A plus B, B minus A, 2B plus A and 3A minus B. So first of all I want to do this one small a, that is the A plus B. How can construct this one? First of all, you can construct the line AB. So that is the your line A and B. It is the line A. We don't know the length of this one, so you have to write this is small a, the line, and the another line which is given here, this one, it is B. So it is looking like this. It is a very small line, so you can write it's a B. Here is B. Now construct a line which is equal to A plus B. The first part is given as, that is A plus B. How can construct A plus B? First of all, you have to construct a long line with the help of scale. So first of all, you can take the scale, this one, and now construct a line. How much? We don't know about this, so you can construct line this one. Suppose it is 10 centimeter about. Remove the scale and you can write the X and Y. Put the line as a P point P and take a roundel, and you can keep here at the point this one and take like this distance and keep it point on P and make an arc like this. Once again take it at B and keep the distance or line segment B is equal to, now take at point this one, that is the point Q. So you can say and make an arc like this and remove the roundel and the point P, and it is your Q and it is your M. So as you know, this line is small a and this line is small b. So as you know, PM line is equal to small a plus b. So that is your answer. So you can write and draw. The second is b minus a. So first of all, you can construct b and then a. So how can construct this one? Take a scale and here the second part is starting here. So with the help of pencil you can draw a line segment like this. It is near about 10 centimeter and remove the scale and write the name of this one. So its name is XY. Always remember it is the XY. So you can take a point P here. It is the point P. And now take roundel. So first of all you can take B from the P. So this point is P. You can take a roundel and make an arc like this. Now remove your roundel and once again take the distance. This one is A. So put the roundel at P and measure this angle, this distance in this, and the distance now from the point Q, it is the point Q and the roundel is going to that side and make an arc like this. Remove the roundel. So write the name. So that is the P and this one is Q and this one is R. So as you know, the distance PR is equal to B minus A. So you can do very well. So PR is this distance is only this distance. Only this distance is called as B minus A. Let us see the next part. Yes, your third part is 2B plus A. So how can do this one 2B plus A? So first of all you can construct the two lines. So suppose you have one line is like this, that is the A line, and the B line is looking like this. It is smaller than the A. So what will be happen? So you have to write here it is the small line A and it is the small line B. Okay. Now draw with the help of scale another line segment, and that is the with the help of pencil. So you have to draw about the 14 centimeter. We don't know. You can increase the line. Now what will be happen? So first of all you can construct 2B line. So remove this one scale and take roundel. So roundel keep at point A. First remove this one and write the line on line, that is the XY. It is XY and take a point P here. It is the P. Now with the help of roundel we can measure the length of small a. So keep the point P at P and make an arc like this. So that point is Q and we can take another at this one point Q and another arc. You can make another arc. Now let us take the distance small b. So we can take small b's like this, and this one is from this point and make an arc like this. Yes, remove the roundel and put the name P, Q, R and S. So PS distance is, as you know, it is 2A plus B. So you have to write your construction, steps of construction in own words. So that is the answer. So you can do. Let us see the fourth part of this question. The fourth part is 3A minus B. How can construct the 3A minus B? First of all, you can make a line segment, that is the small a, like this, and small b is like this, and write the name. It is A and it is B. So first of all, take scale and draw a line segment like this. Yes, and now remove this one and take roundel. And first of all, you can write the name of this one XY. It is your X and Y. So you can put the point P and we can start from P. It is 3A, so 3 times A we can write here. Now come to the roundel. Take this roundel at the point end of the line A and measure the line A. It is looking like so. You can take roundel at this point protector and make an arc like this. Again, it is 3 times. So this one, and you can say here also, and we can put here. Yes, so it is A, and it is becomes 3A. Now take the distance B. It is here and like this, and the roundel is keeping here, and now you can take opposite side of this, so you can make an arc. Now remove the roundel and you can write P, Q, R, S, and this point is T. Where is once again? It is P, Q, and it is R, not this one. The naming is P, Q, R, S and T. So what about this? So you have to write here is A and A, and here is small b. So as you know, the distance PT is equal to 3A minus B. So that is your answer. And write the steps of construction. How can write the steps of construction? First, draw a line XY and then put in roundel a distance A, and from P we can cut at Q, and the another that distance, same distance, cut at R, and then again another we can cut at S, and once again take a distance B and put point S and make an arc T. So our distance PT is the 3A minus B. So that is the construction you have to write in your own word. Question number second. With the help of protractor and ruler, draw the following angles. That one, first one is 15 degree, 45 degree, 105 degree and 75 degree. How can construct the angle with the help of protractor and the scale? Let us see. The first angle is 15 degree. How can construct the 15 degree? First of all, you can take a scale and with the help of pencil draw a line segment about 7 centimeter. This one is 7 centimeter, and remove the scale. Take a roundel like this and keep here at this point. First of all, you have to write this one. Suppose it is your AB line, and the roundel is here. Now you can draw like this, make an arc starting from here like this. Now once again take, add this one, and same distance you can make an arc this type. Yes, it is the second arc, and the another you can take like this. Here you can make the arc. Yes, now make this type of arc, and once again put this one here, and the pencil is here. Make second arc like this, so both are intersect like this. This type, and remove the protector and take scale and like this, and draw a line like this. Yes, now remove the scale, and once again take roundel, and you can put here at this point and make, do the distance some large, and make an arc like this, and once again take at this point and make an arc like this. Now the distance is changed, so first of all keep your distance, take this point and make this arc like this. Remove the protector, and with the help of scale we can draw a second line. It is here. Yes, and this one, this angle is how much? Remove this scale, so that one is 60 degree, and that one is 30 degree, and that one is 15 degrees, so that angle is 15 degree. So you have to write this angle is 15 degree. But how can say it is 15 degree? First of all we want to measure this angle, so you have a D for the measurement of this angle. So you can see here it is clear that it is 15 degree. You have to see 10 and 5 here, so 15 degree. So you can measure with the help of D, and it is very clear to make this angle very easy. Now let us start your second angle. Yes, second angle is 45 degree. How can form the 45-degree angle? It's a very easy to form the 45-degree angle. Let us take a scale and make, draw a line like this, and remove the scale and take roundel, and now roundel point is here. Now keep a distance some less, and now make an arc like this. From here you can make arc like this. Yes, so what will be happen? So distance do not change, so you have to keep here and make another arc like this. It is very simple to make like this one, and the another you can take here and take an arc another like this here and make this arc, and on upperward you can make this one arc, and from here you can make like this. So remove the roundel, and with the help of scale you can draw a line, perpendicular line. Yes, it's your 90-degree angle. So that is your 90-degree angle. Now remove the scale and take roundel at the point this one and increase the length of arc and make an angle, an arc like this. Yes, now put the protector here and make an arc here like this. So both arcs are not intersecting, so you can put once again here and make an arc. Okay, now remove the roundel, and with the help of scale you can draw this. Yes, this one is your 45 degrees. So remove the scale, and now this angle is 45 degrees, so you have to write it is 45 degree. But how can say it is 45 degree? So first of all you can measure the with the help of d. So you have the d here, so you can measure it is 45 degree. Clear that it is 45 degrees. So you can make very easy method to in your copy, and also write the steps of construction in your own word. Let us see the next number. Third one is 105 degrees. So how can do this 105 degree? First of all, you can to draw a line segment with the help of scale. This scale. So first of all you can draw, but it is in straight line here. So this is your pencil. So make about 8 centimeters a line. It is your 8 centimeter, you can see. Now remove the scale and now take a roundel like this. So you can put here at this point. So first of all you can say line segment is AB. Now roundel is here. Now take some distance less like this and remove here. You can draw an arc like this. Yes, it is very simple. Now take this roundel at this point and once again make here, it is disturbing. So take distance here and make an arc like this. One arc is here and second arc from this point, this one, and also make this like this, and once again from here like this, and it is making a 90-degree also. So you can remove the roundel and now with the help of scale we can draw the line. Yes, with the help of pencil you can draw a line. It is very clear. Now remove the scale and with the help of roundel once again do something, and that is the, yes, make this type of arc and once again keep here and make an arc like this. It is the next arc and they are intersecting at this point, and remove the roundel and with the help of scale we can draw a line segment. Remove the scale and measure the angle. So how much angle? So you can see here with the help of D, this one, it is 115 degree. You can see here 105 degree. It is 105 degree. You can see here. It is very easy to do this. Remove the roundel and you can write the 105 degree. That is very simple. So you can write the AB and that one is the point C. And here is PQRS. You can write PQR and here is S and it is your T. And you can write steps of construction in own words. So that is, now come to the next angle. Which one is angle? Next angle is 75 degrees. So how can construct this angle? So it is very simple. First of all, you can take the scale like this. You can take here and measure some length. It is looking like it is about 8 centimeters. So remove the scale, and now with the help of protractor we can make an arc like this. So it's your choice, you can make like this an arc. You have to write here. It's a very simple. Now take this distance and make this arc at this point like this. It is the first arc, and now come to the second. It is like this. Now come to the another arc, some take or some distance less like this. Yes. So what will be happen in this? So we want to cut here. It is looking like, and once again put here, and now cutting here like this. So it becomes 90 degree. Now remove the roundel, and with the help of scale you can draw a line segment. Yes, now draw a line. You can draw a line like this. It is 90 degree, but we want to 75 degree. First of all, you remove the scale, and now take a roundel, and roundel is at point this one, and make an arc like this. And once again you can take here and make an arc like this. Yes, so this type. And now remove the roundel, and with the help of scale draw this line. Yes, remove the scale and write this angle. This angle is 75 degrees, so it's very easy to write the 75 degree. So first of all you can write the steps of construction also. Draw a line segment AB, and take a roundel and make an arc, that is the PQ, which intersect at R and S. Once again do the angle bisector of this one. It is the point T, and it is D and E, and that point is C. So you can write very easy. Yes, let us see the next one. Yes, question number 3. Two angles x and y, that is the x is obtuse angle, this one is given as x angle, and acute angle, that is the y angle. So that y angle is your acute angle. So draw the angles having the following measurements. So first of a, x minus y, second one is x plus y, and third one is 180 minus x, and second one, last one is 2y degree. So let us see how can do this type of angles. Yes, first make the x angle and then y. So we want to see this one. First of all make two angles, and the angle is formed with the help of this one. That angle is, it is your obtuse angle. So you have to see that is the obtuse angle, and another angle, that is the acute angle. So that one is acute angle. Now let us see, we want to measure. So first of all, how can do this type of construction. Take scale and like this, and here you can measure this one. Draw a line. First of all, x minus y, we want to find the x minus y. So how can x minus y? So with the help of pencil, you can draw a line segment that is the 8 centimeter. You have to see here, it is 8 centimeter. Now remove the scale and take a roundel like this, and take at this point, and the pencil is here, and take some distance like this. Okay, now make like this. It is your x angle, and now second one is, that is y angle. So you can draw same distance arc from here, and this arc is from here also. So you can write here from the beginning here. Now you can make this type of arc. Yes, it is very simple. Now remove the roundel and write the length. It is your x angle, that is obtuse angle, and it is y, it is your acute angle. Now how to do this x minus y? So let us see first once again. Take this distance with the help of roundel or protractor. So take this distance and make an arc like this, and once again do this type of here from here. So you can make another arc this type, and now take this distance and the distance measure y, that is the acute, this is, and draw an arc like this. So it is very simple. Now roundel take at this point and make an arc here. First of all, the distance is necessary to take this one distance fix. So now come to this one point and make an arc like this. It is here, so you can make this one, and now remove the protector and take a scale, and with the help of a scale you can draw this line. Yes, with the help of pencil, so you can draw like this, and that angle is x minus y angle. So you have to know. So you can write here. Now remove the scale, and here is, this is your x angle, it is your y angle, but it is the x minus y angle. So you can draw like this. So you can name first the name, it is your ABC, and it is EFG, and this angle is PQR. So angle PQR is equal to angle of ABC minus angle of EFG. Yes, let us see the second part of this question, that is x plus y. So first of all, you have to make x angle and then y angle with the help of this. So it is your x angle, and that is the obtuse angle. It is your obtuse angle which is greater than 90 degree, and the second angle is acute angle. So that is the, here you have to see here, that is the acute angle. this one. So now we want to find the x plus y. We don't know this measurement, but it is your obtuse greater than 90 degrees, so that is the x, and this angle is given as y. So we want to find this one. So first of all, with the help of scale, we can draw a line segment. Line segment, it is near about 8 centimeter. So with the help of scale, we can draw like this. It is your 8 centimeters, this one. And now come to the arc. Remove the scale and take roundel or protector and take from here this point, and now make an arc from here, this one, like this type you can make this arc. Yes, it is very easy. So all this type you can measure here arc, you can draw the arc in all. And from starting the beginning, so you have to write like this. Yes, now come to the once again to this point, at this point, and measure this length. This length I want to measure, and now cut the arc like this and take same distance and cut an arc like this. Once again take this distance y with the help of this roundel like this and make an arc like this, and from here you can make second arc here, this one. Yes, now remove the roundel, and with the help of scale we can draw a line. So with the help of pencil you can draw like this. So that is the x plus y angle. Remove the this one, and this angle is x plus y. So you can draw this one and write the angle here x plus y. So first of all it is PQR and it is LMN, and that angle is ABC. So it's a very simple, so you can draw very well. Now third one is 180 minus x. So how can form the 180 minus x? So first of all we want to make the angle, that is the obtuse angle. So that is the x angle, and which is an obtuse angle like this. So but we want to make a 180 minus x. So that one is x. It is your x. So first of all take scale, and now with the help of scale we can draw a line segment that is about 8 centimeters. So I want to draw a line, this one, that is 8 centimeters. Now remove the roundel, remove the scale, and now take the roundel. And what about to roundel this one, and keep the point here and increase the distance some. Yes, now make an arc like this. Yes, it is very easy. Now come to here and make here, from take a point, this one, on the point here, and take this one and put the pencil from here and you can draw like this. Yes. Now once again you can take here the distance, this one, increase the distance to here. Now make an arc like this and take this point and make an arc here. इस बार एंगल अपोजिट साइड से बनाना है, so you can take this one and remove the roundel, and with the help of scale we can draw a line segment. Draw a line like this. So that is your remove the scale. So this angle is x minus. So this angle is x, but this angle is 180 minus x. So that is your answer. You can write here P, Q, R, S and T, and here is X, Y, O, Z, L, M and N, and you can write the steps of construction in own words. So it is very easy to do this. Now let us see the next one. The last one is 2y angle. So first it is your acute angle. So first of all you can make the acute angle like this, and this is the acute angle here. So that is the y angle. So you have to write here y. Now take a scale, and you can take a scale like this and make a line segment which is equal to 8 centimeter. You can make here, take a pencil and from here 0 to 8 centimeter. You can write here 8 centimeter. Now remove the scale, and now with the help of protractor you can draw a line, an arc. Take distance some less like this, and you put the on line, and now make an arc like this. It is very simple. Now this take on this point and make an arc same type. Yes. Now take this distance. It is completely this one. Now take this distance on this, and now measure the distance. How can measure the distance? Like this. It is this one, and make an arc like this. Here is 2 times. You can draw this one is 2 times. 1 times and second once again keep there, and the second times. So that one is 2y angle. So remove the roundel or protractor and draw a line segment from this point with the help of scale. So how can draw this line with the help of scale? You can here yes, with the help of pencil you can draw this. So this is the final, and remove the scale. You have to write here it is 2y degree. Here x, So you have to just watch it is the 2 times, and so you can write here the angle P Q R S, and here is it is A B C D E and F. Now come to the next one. Three lines are given here, and that is the fixed line R S T. Here is R S T. We don't know the measurement. First one, is it possible to construct a triangle using these line segment? If yes, then draw the triangle. If it is it possible to construct a triangle using ST and R plus T? So let us see how can possible. So first question I want to do, let us see. Let us see, three lines are given, that is this line, it is the one line, and the second line it's here, and some third line is here. We don't know the length of these lines, but the line is given as x, y, z, or you can say in other words. The length is r, s, t. We don't know the measurement of this line. So first of all, we want to draw this type of a triangle. So how can make the triangle? Take a distance, take a scale, and what will be happen with the help of a scale? Here we can draw a line segment, that is the, we don't know the length. So first of all I want to do this, it is yes, draw this line segment, that is the 8 centimeter. Now remove the scale, and after removing the scale, take a roundel this type, and first of all the distance of r, I want to take distance r in your roundel. So this roundel take the distance r, and from this point you can cut an arc like this. Yes, it will be happen. Now come to the second point, and that one is S, and take this distance, do some less here, this, and now fix the line, and from this point cut the another arc on upward. So it is looking like this. It is very easy, so you can do this one. Yes. Now come to this one. Now take T distance, the distance T, this one. Yes, and from the point here you can cut the line here, this one. Yes, and they intersect easily. Now remove the roundel, and with the help of scale we can draw these lines. Yes, now once again take second line with the help of this scale. आपका स्केल थोड़ा इजी होगा घुमाना, बट माई स्केल इज वेरी हार्ड टू ड्रॉ द लाइन सेगमेंट. It takes some time. Yes, with the help of pencil, so you can draw this line. Yes, now remove the scale and now write the name. So name is, it is A, that is the B, and it is C. So that one is R, and that one is S, and that one is T. So that is the first part of your construction. So you will do this one very well. In the second part of your question, that is, it is possible to construct a triangle, that is the S and T and R plus T. It is not possible to construct this triangle. So this will be not possible because it will be looking like this. It is A, B and C. It is in a line. So it is not possible to construct this type of a line. So let us see, the second one is the question number 5. Draw a triangle ABC. Now from A draw a line which is parallel to BC and check the sum of all angles at vertex as well as sum of all the angles of a triangle. So let us see how can construct the parallel lines on the vertex. Yes, let us see how can form the triangle. So it is very easy. So it is this one, first angle, and this one is, and it is here. Now the third line is here. So it is the triangle ABC. So you have to write here A, here is B, and here is C. So now take a distance, parallel line from here. So how can draw the parallel line? So first of all, you can take the roundel here and less the distance here, this one, and make an arc like this. Once again, you can take here the distance and make an arc like this. It is not possible. It's a wrong. So first, once again, we can take the distance same and keep the fixed distance in your roundel. Now take another arc like this and make this type. Once again, take this time and take the distance of this one. It is here. So now do the arc, and from here you can make another arc like this and remove the roundel and take a scale, and I want to draw a line like this. Yes, take pencil and like you can draw this, and which is parallel to this one. So what will be happen in this? Now remove this one line is parallel. So as you know, in this figure what will be happen? So angle C, this angle is C and this angle is B. As you know, angle B and this angle is also B due to the alternate interior angle, and it is the angle A, as you know, and here is angle B, here is angle C, and that angle C is equal to this angle, that is the C. So as you know, on this vertex, so angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, and as we know, it is 180 degree. It is a linear pair, so we can write this one. So you can do all this type of questions. ये एक्सरसाइज यहीं समाप्त हो रही है। ये लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करने की कोशिश करेंगे जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके। मैं RS प्रसाद सर आज यहीं पे कंस्ट्रक्शन समाप्त करता हूँ। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।